Hi, this is Zoe from CarePatron, and in this video I'll be guiding you on how to use the Duluth model. What is the Duluth model? The Duluth model is a gender-based cognitive behavior approach to counseling and educating men who have committed domestic violence, aiming to change their violent and threatening behaviors. It employs revolutionary approaches to addressing violence, such as shifting the blame from the victim to the offender, redirecting the responsibility of victim safety from the victim to the community and state, and highlighting restorative justice. Anchored on feminist ideologies, it exposes gender mechanisms behind abuse and emphasizes the role of the community and state in addressing domestic violence. It challenges the societal conditions reinforcing men's use of tactics of power and control over women. In crafting policies and procedures, it prioritizes the voices and experiences of women victimized by abuse. The Duluth model is embedded in a larger system of interventions, including arrests for domestic violence, sanctions against non-compliance to court orders, safety planning and support for victims, and referral to agencies with collaborative approaches. The power and control wheel is a crucial tool utilized in Duluth model. It visually represents tactics employed by abusers over their victims. To use our Duluth model, follow these steps. Download our Duluth model from the CarePatron platform, which you can find on the link in the description. Firstly, creating a safe and supportive environment before discussing sensitive topics is vital. Building rapport involves introducing yourself to the clients, ensuring privacy and confidentiality, and clearly explaining the purpose of the model. Explain the framework's basic concepts, structure, and purpose to the clients. Formal implementation. This step involves introducing the power and control wheel to the client and explaining how this tool illustrates the tactics employed by abusers in maintaining power and control. Discuss each section to help the clients recognize abusive behaviors. Encourage the client to reflect and explore. Work with the client to set goals for behavior change. Discuss strategies for communicating boundaries, seeking help, promoting non-violence, and seeking alternatives for abusive behaviors. Ongoing support and guidance should be provided throughout the intervention process. Progress and changes should also be regularly assessed. Here is a sample of our Duluth model, which you can find on our CarePatron platform. To find our Duluth model, go to our CarePatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. If you are currently experiencing domestic violence, do not be afraid to seek help from your local refuge or contact your local helpline. In the description is a website link to all the domestic and sexual violence agencies around the world.